Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Harshita and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super easy and simple birthday card that you can make for your friends or family at home. Okay, so first of all you need to get a pink A4 sheet of paper and fold it in half like this. Next you need to get a piece of white paper that is half the size of this A4 sheet, and you need to stick just this edge onto the line. So don't stick the whole paper onto this page, just stick like this edge onto the line like this. Okay, so after you've put glue on the edge like this, you need to stick it down on the paper. After you've done that, you can close the card. Next, what you need to do is you need to draw a circle in the middle of the paper. I can't find my compass right now, so I'm just going to use this cup. You can just put it in the middle of the paper like this, and then you need to draw a circle around it. After you've drawn a circle in the middle of the paper like this, you can cut it out. You can use a cutter, or I'm just going to use these scissors here. First, I'm just going to pinch the paper like this to make a hole in it, and then I'm going to cut it to one end of the circle, and then I'm going to cut around. After I've cut a circle out in the middle, it looks like this. Next, you need to get 6 square pieces of paper. I have 2 blue, 2 yellow, and 2 purple. So first you need to get 1 square of paper, and you need to fold it diagonally in half like this, so it looks like a triangle. Then you do that again. So it's an even smaller triangle, and then you do it one more time. After you've done that, you need to cut out a little curve like this. Okay, so here I've drawn a little half semicircle so that you guys can see it better. And make sure that when you're cutting it off, you're cutting off both of these corners. So now I'm just going to cut this semicircle. After you've cut this, you can just open it up. And then you have a flower. So now you need to do this with the other 5 pieces of paper. Okay, so now that I have these 6 flowers, I'm going to move on to the leaves. Okay, so now I have this green piece of paper, and I'm going to draw kind of like leaves with like stems as well. So first what you need to do is you need to draw a straight line like this. Then you need to draw a leaf going out like this. And then another straight line a bit further. And then another leaf. And then do that again. And then at the top you need to draw a leaf pointing upwards. And then you need to go down and you need to do the same on the other side. And after you've drawn these 7 leaves with the stem, you can cut it out. Okay, so it looks like this, and I'm going to cut 4 of these out. Okay, so here I have everything cut out that I need. So next what you need to do is you need to get your purple flower, and you need to flip it over like this, and just put a dab of glue in the very middle. And then you just need to stick it on at the top right corner of your card, like this. Next you need to put some glue on the blue flower, and you need to put it beside the purple flower like this. And then you need to do the same with your yellow flower. Just need to put a dab of glue in the middle, then you can stick it on under the purple flower like this. After you've done that, it should look like this, and then you can do the same on the bottom here. So the purple one here, the blue one here, and the yellow one here. Okay, so here I've stuck these 6 flowers on like this. Next you need to get your leaves, and you need to put some glue on the very edge here. And then you need to slide it under the yellow flower like this, so that the stem is hidden and you can just see the leaves. Then you need to take another one and you need to do the same on this side and put it like this. And then I'm going to do the same and put one here and here. Okay, so this is what the card looks like once I've stuck the flowers and the leaves on. Now I'm just going to decorate it with some colorful gems that I have. So I'm going to use these pink ones for the purple flowers, these orange ones for the yellow flowers, and these blue ones for the blue flowers. Okay, so this is what the card looks like once I've stuck these decorative beads on. And now I've put some glue on the edge, and I'm going to use these silver stones that I have. And I'm going to put them all on the edge of the circle. I'm just going to stick them on like this, and I'm going to go all the way around the edge of the circle. Okay, so this is what the card looks like now after I've stuck these gemstones on the edge. Now you can leave the card like this, or if you have some decorative stones like I have these heart-shaped ones here, you can put them along like this side because I think it looks a bit plain. So I have these pink and blue heart-shaped stones, and I'm just putting them in a line like this. So I'm putting a pink one, then a blue one, and then a pink one like this. And now I'm going to put 3 down here as well. Okay, so this is what the card looks like once I've stuck these gemstones on. And now we're pretty much finished. Now all you need to do is you need to write happy birthday in this white circle here. If you're using a gel pen, make sure that you don't put your hand on this part because it could smudge. Okay, so this is what the finished card looks like. And after you finish decorating it all like this, you can open it up and you can write your message over here on this pink part. So this is what the card looks like once it's finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe. And also stay safe everyone. See you next time. Bye!